2025. The GMC Savana continues to hold its ground as one of the most dependable and versatile full-size vans in the automotive world. While many automakers have shifted completely toward futuristic designs and electric-only concepts, GMC has kept the Savana true to its roots: rugged, practical, and ready for heavy-duty work. The 2025 model year refines what this van has always been about, adding subtle updates while maintaining its legendary durability. The exterior of the GMC Savana doesn't scream for attention, and that's exactly its strength. The front end keeps its bold, boxy stance, designed for functionality rather than flashy appeal. The large headlights provide excellent visibility, while the wide grille emphasizes toughness. This isn't a van built to impress on looks. It's built to deliver. Whether you're hauling cargo, running a shuttle service, or converting it into a camper, step inside and you immediately notice the no-nonsense cabin. Everything is laid out with simplicity in mind. The 2025 Savana brings in upgraded materials for better comfort, along with optional modern tech, like a digital driver display and a larger infotainment screen, but it doesn't go overboard. GMC knows its target audience values reliability over unnecessary complexity. Seating is supportive, the dashboard is clean, and the overall feel is practical, with just enough modern upgrades to keep it fresh. Under the hood, the GMC Savana 2025 continues to impress with powerful engine options. The standard V6 delivers solid performance, while the available V8 provides extra muscle for heavy loads. GMC also offers a turbo diesel option for those who demand maximum torque and efficiency. Towing capacity remains one of its strongest points, giving the Savana the ability to pull trailers with ease, making it ideal for businesses and road trip adventurers alike. On the road, the driving experience is steady and confident. You feel the weight and strength of the vehicle, but steering is precise enough for city maneuvering, and highway cruising feels composed. It's not built for luxury-like smoothness, but instead for control, durability, and consistency. GMC's engineers have made sure that the Savana can handle years of hard work without compromise. Safety technology has also received attention in the 2025 Savana. Features like forward collision alert, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring are available, giving drivers extra confidence behind the wheel. It's a big step forward for a vehicle class that has traditionally focused more on function than driver assistance systems. The GMC Savana's greatest strength is its versatility.